Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. Well, check if the game offers daily rewards for simply logging in each day. Often, games provides missions or tasks that reward players with dice rolls upon completion. Focus on achieving specific milestones within the game to earn dice rolls as rewards. Progress through levels in the game to unlock rewards, which may include dice rolls. Join in-game events or special promotion that offer dice rolls as prizes. Some games offer free dice rolls in exchange for watching ads. Check if Monopoly Go provides this option. Utilize referral programs to invite friends to join the game, often resulting in rewards like free dice rolls. Follow Monopoly Go on social media platforms where they may occasionally run promotion offering free dice rolls. Complete daily challenges or tasks within the game to earn dice rolls as rewards. Accumulate in-game currency and use it to purchase dice rolls from the game's store or shop. Some games rewards loyal players with VIP status or loyalty rewards, which may include free dice rolls. Participate in surveys or feedbacks requests provided by the game developers in exchange for dice rolls. During holidays or special seasons, games often give out bonuses that may include free dice rolls. Actively participate in the game's community forums, discussions, or events where developers may reward active members with dice rolls. Stay updated with game updates as developers sometimes introduce new ways to earn free dice rolls. If the game features teams, participate actively, as group rewards might include free dice rolls. Improved gameplay skills as better performance sometimes led to bonus rewards such as free dice rolls. Look for special promotional codes that can be redeemed within the game for free dice rolls. And that's how to get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.